Understanding a pinch of salt, a phrase in English language. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an interesting and widely used English phrase, a pinch of salt. This phrase isn't about cooking, but it's a colorful part of the English language. Stay tuned to find out what it means and how to use it. The phrase, a pinch of salt, is an idiom in English. An idiom is a phrase where the words together have a meaning that's different from the dictionary definitions of the individual words. When we say take something with a pinch of salt, we mean that you should not take it too seriously and maintain a degree of skepticism or doubt about its truth. It's often used when someone is telling a story that might be exaggerated or unbelievable. The phrase, a pinch of salt, has a fascinating history. It's believed to originate from an ancient practice where salt was considered an antidote to poison. The idea was that by adding a pinch of salt, you could make something harmful or unpalatable, like a lie or exaggeration, more bearable. This historical context adds a layer of understanding to why we use this phrase in English today. Let's see how a pinch of salt is used in everyday conversation. 1. News. I read this news article, but I'm taking it with a pinch of salt until more information is available. 2. Gossip. Did you hear what happened at the office yesterday? Take it with a pinch of salt. You know how stories change as they're passed along. 3. Advice. He gave me some tips on the stock market, but I'm taking his advice with a pinch of salt. He's not a financial expert, after all. In some cases, you might hear variations like a grain of salt. This has the same meaning and can be used interchangeably with a pinch of salt. That's all for today's lesson on the phrase, a pinch of salt. Remember, it's a useful idiom for expressing skepticism or doubt about the truthfulness or accuracy of something. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to practice using this phrase in your conversations to sound more like a native speaker. See you in the next video.